We're a contract blender and packager of chemical products. We also provide warehouse and shipping for most of our customers.
When I think of Camco, I think of a company that's doing it right.
It just gives them efficiencies. It opens their eyes to things that they had never seen before.
At Camco, we're moving a lot of parts, and we're moving them very quickly. Every one of those is an opportunity to make a mistake.
One of the significant advantages of the WiSys warehouse management software is that it's eliminating error.
Customers without this system stand to lose millions of dollars by losses of inventory that they can't find. People hunting for products in the warehouse just because they don't know the location.
For me, I need to know where stuff is. The WiSys system helps us to maintain excellent tracking of our inventory.
Our inventory stays a lot more stable now. We used to have problems with finding our products, losing our products. With WiSys, we don't have that issue anymore.
With WiSys, we're scanning barcodes. We're not transcribing numbers, we're not writing them down, and all of those mistakes are eliminated.
The folks at Camco are looking at a system today that's 21st century. They're looking at being able to go from the Stone Age of writing things down and keyboarding them into the computer to being able to handle the data as it comes right into the system. They don't have to worry about making mistakes because they're connecting those dots inside their business system as they go. They're bringing material in the back door. They're moving it to the location they want to store it temporarily. They're then issuing that product to production and connecting all those lot numbers and item numbers as they go. If they don't have a solution that handles material at the first touch point, that means when that material comes in through the warehouse, through the receiving dock, it's going right into the system right then. I can put a label right on the product as I touch it. I'm labeling it as I go.
I'm holding a WiSys scan gun we use for our inventory, control, speed, accuracy. It helps maintain that we have the right components for the production order that the customer has given us.
We blend and pack various powders. We blend the material in the big mixers back here, and we transfer that from the mixers to the different lines we have around this building.
What WiSys brings to the table is the ability to connect those dots for the accounting department all the way back through the distribution, inventory control, and manufacturing. We like to think of ourselves as a real-time solution to bring that data all together for a customer.
Each one is identified by item number and lot number, and it tells what line it goes to and where it's supposed to be staged at.
Companies like Camco have rich data, and because they're using the handheld computers, that rich data can be moved by just a click of a button.
Inventory control is very important here. We need to know exactly how much we have.
Every transaction that happens on the gun goes back into the business system.
This gives you real-time information that's being created by the person who's doing the job. And they know the job best.
I turn that off so the scale quits jumping so I can get the correct weight.
Having immediate information allows us to communicate better with our employees as to how they're performing. It also allows us to communicate more quickly within the process. In other words, as a piece of equipment or a piece of inventory is moving through the system, we can communicate from one department to the next when their operation begins immediately. So they're not waiting. They're not waiting to find out if they're to start.
Because they're using the handheld computers, that rich data can be moved by just a click of a button.
With the new WiSys system, I can take this gun and scan the barcode, the item number on here, and it'll tell me exactly what's here, how much it is, and what the lot number is in real time. This helps us improve our inventory tremendously.
Every transaction that happens on the gun goes back into the business system.
The WiSys warehouse management software, because it's real time, is giving you this feedback that allows you in a much more quicker fashion to be able to correct whatever needs to be corrected to improve the quality of the product to the customer. Customers of ours that use the WiSys product tell us that they wish they had started this journey of automating years before.
We went from maybe a 70% accuracy on our cycle counts to well average and well over 95, even getting closer to 100 now.
Because this is all for the customer.
We scan that, make sure the count's right, make sure the dates are correct, from the oldest to the newest. We pick them, we wrap them, ship them back out.
I like to see companies like Camco doing it right. I see them making less errors, I see them being faster, and I see them validating exactly what they're putting into the system. That gives them a tremendous amount of confidence that they can make promises to their customers.
For our customers, it means that they have more immediate access to the information they need to plan their orders. But it also means that we can give them more immediate feedback when they ask questions. Questions about what's in stock, questions about how quickly we can respond.
Camco has the ability to make promises to their customers because they can trust their data. They know what's coming in the door, what's going into production, and what's being shipped out.
This is all what this is about. It's to improve the product quality to the customer. I think the potential is far more than 5 or 10% a year.
The future for us with this sort of system is endless.
This is the way to go.